Okay.
Fun fact card. Fun fact card.
What is this?
Monkey.
Yeah.
Apple.
Fun fact about monkeys. The world's smallest species of monkey, the pygmy marmoset, is around 5 inches long. There are over 260 monkey species in the world. Turn பண்ணுங்க. What is this?
Panda.
Super. Panda. Fun facts about pandas. Pandas have vertical slits for pupils, making their eyes similar to that of the domestic cat. Giant pandas learn how to climb at the age of 5 months. What is this? What is this?
Tortoise.
Very good. Fun fact about turtles. The largest species of turtle, the leatherback turtle, can weigh more than 600 kgs. Turtles date back to the time of dinosaurs and have been in existence for around 200 million years. What is this?
Tortoise.
What is this?
Monkey.
What is this?
Panda.
Very good.
Thank you. Bye.